Yep. Gable, can you put it away? Yep, put it all away.
Just to go. Mama.
Orange.
No.
Can you put it away? Good job, Orange. No, pick it up and put it away. Oopsie. Uh-oh. No, thank you. You need to pick these up. Right here. Put them away in here. Good boy. That is ketchup. Ketchup. Gable. Pick them up. Right here. Put them away in here. Yep, pick them up, please. That is not okay. Good boy. Good job. Yep. Good job. Chocolate. Yep. Good job. Corn. Put it away, please. Good job.